I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a charge on your PNC card, follow these steps to get it resolved. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the xrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Log into your PNC account. Access your PNC online banking account by visiting the PNC website or using the mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 3. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to your recent transactions. Find the specific charge you want to dispute. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for an option that says Dispute Charge or Report an Issue. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information regarding the dispute. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 5. Confirm your dispute. After submitting your dispute, you should receive a confirmation notification. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates on the status of your dispute. If you don't see anything, check your spam folder. Disputing a charge can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to PNC customer service if you need further assistance.